North Peak Resources completes a 27-hole, 3,200-meter Phase 1 drill program on its Prospect Mountain, Nevada property. The Prospect Mountain property lies in the Battle Mountain Eureka trend, in an area known as the Southern Eureka Gold Belt. This gold trend hosts numerous world-class mines and deposits and has played a key role in Nevada's status as one of the top gold-producing regions in the world. The Prospect Mountain property is situated on a 10-kilometer-long, north-trending mineralized corridor centered on the Jackson Fault. The southern extension of the mineralized corridor trends directly onto the Prospect Mountain property, containing numerous historic mines and occurrences. There are approximately 11 miles of underground workings present on the property, much of which is still accessible. Despite over 150 years of exploration and mining activities on the property, there has been extremely limited modern exploration. During the periods of active mining, exploration was essentially conducted by driving tunnels in the search for ore, rather than systematic surface sampling and drilling. Apart from some drilling in the late 1990s and early 2000s by various optionees, there has been no systematic modern drilling. In 2017, European American Resources drilled 97 holes for 10,453 meters of closed-space reverse circulation drilling in the Wabash area. A number of near-surface intersections of relatively high-grade material were made. In September 2024, North Peak completed a 27-hole, 3,200-meter Phase 1 drill program on Prospect Mountain North. North Peak's reinterpretation of the previous Wabash mineralization as steeply dipping, more continuous zones along structures has been confirmed by the recent drilling. Historic vertical holes by European American Resources are not ideal for steeply dipping structures, and North Peak's angled holes are helping to demonstrate better continuity within the mineralization envelope. The consistent results from the Phase 1 drilling, both in terms of grade and virtually continuous wide mineralization, has prompted a Phase 2 drill program to start right away.